New push, pull, rotate door locks from Brink's open 3 ways. Push, pull, or rotate, whether you have your hands full or free. There's now an easier way to open a door thanks to Brink's push, pull, rotate door locks. They're available in a variety of styles, finishes, and functions. Keyed locks for exterior doors, locks for all interior rooms. Push, pull, rotate door locks are also Brink's Secure, Brink's Tough, and built to last. They install easily in minutes. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. These knobs and levers really are the easiest way to open a door, whether your hands are free or full. Ready to upgrade your doorknobs or levers? Choose the door locks that open 3 ways. Choose Brink's Push, Pull, Rotate door locks for your home.